Hi guys, so today I will be doing Escape Grandpa Obby, and today I have Liv here and this is Tuana, and so we're gonna race and whoever wins is the winner. Say go. Okay. Oh, it's so intense. Oh my god, Tuana died instantly. I might have a chance here. Oh, where do we go? I'm so confused. Where do we go? Oh, we go over here. Oh yeah! Here, yes. Yes, I'm winning right now. Okay. Oh, wait. I'm so down. Here, 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 here. I can do this. Okay. Not really that raging today, but I hope I will rage for you guys and you guys will laugh. But I don't really like raging, so oh no, Liv's catching up to me. I might rage. Let's go. Okay, here. Try to click jump to it. There you go. Oh, Liv, you've played this before. I have to beat Liv because Liv beat me on the last race, so I have to win this. No! Oh dear, I was following you. I thought there was a way. I don't like this. No, Liv knows the way. She probably knows all the ways. Where is... Oh, wait, what? Here, yes. Here. Yes. Okay, I can do this. No! I should have done that pattern. One is kind of left behind. Come on. I have to do this. What's that noise? That noise is annoying. A cuckoo clock. Stop! Liv is kind of being me, and Tuana. I think she's probably the best person at obbies. Oh my gosh! So annoying. I need to do this. Yes! Okay. Wow! Liv's already like far away from us. Whoa! Whoa! I screamed. I don't know what we're doing. Wait, what? Oh, we're supposed to do. Okay. I understand now. I have to beat Liv for the final time. Oh, I didn't know that. Liv's gonna beat me now. Okay. Oh no, she's going so fast. How does she go so fast? Guys, keep track of Liv's stage right now. Keep track whenever she like when she goes fast, let me know in the comments below, cause I don't do obbies that fast. But except if it's easy, I can do it very fast. Okay, yes. Whoa, is that poop? I don't like these. How do you do this, Liv? How do you do this? I don't understand you. Oh, yeah. Okay, I can do this. Oh, no! Please! Oh my gosh! Wow! Once again. So guys, I post the video. Might come back when I come. Oh, I did it! Yay! Yay! So, guys, I'm gonna come back when Tuana is here, cause she's kind of falling behind. So, be right back. Guys, I forgot to tell you that, Tuana is kind of close. So, I don't think I'm gonna, like, you know. I think Tuana won because what? Oh, I get it. Wow. That's fine. I think I might be right back, okay? Be right back, guys.
1 hour later.
Guys, we're back, and Tuana kind of left the game, or maybe she lagged out, cause my friend told me she was on the phone, so she might be busy. So I guess this is the end of the obby now. Technically, Liv won, but Liv said that Tuana is taking the win, cause she, you know, was on the phone and she got to level 20, stage 22, and the finished level is 24. So, I think technically Tuana won. I'm agreeing with Liv, so bye guys! This is the end of the video.